Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beautiful flower, pearls and seed beads earrings. They are really easy to make and I will show you step by step, and I'm sure you will be able to make them at the end of this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and share your creations on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Now I'm going to start with a list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what you're going to need are two colors of 11/0 seed beads, 4mm beads in this beautiful gray color, and I'm using 8/0 beads in red color. I need lever bags here. You could use other type of ear wires, but I prefer to use these ones. And I'm using size 10 beading needle, scissors and fire line, that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. And what I'm going to do is that I will take about 3 feet of thread, which is about 90 centimeters, and I will put it on my needle and I'll be back. Okay, now I have about 3 feet of thread on my needle, and I'm going to start by picking up 6 4mm beads. They are with a really small holes, that is why it's better to put them this way. Okay, and I'm sliding them down. I will stick my needle in my mat and I'm going to make a knot. And I'm making a knot by making a loop here and going once and going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling. And now this is what I have a beautiful circle of beads here, and now I will go through some of my beads, and I want to take one more of these beautiful 4mm, and I will go through the opposite bead and in the same direction where my thread is pointing to, and when I pull I have something like a flower here. Okay, and in my next step, okay, I'll flip my work because it will be easier for me this way. I'm taking one red seed bead and going through the following bead, then one more, going through the following, and I will continue this until the end of this row. And now I have this. Okay guys, and now I have this beautiful flower here, and what I need to do is take one silver seed bead, one red seed bead, and then again one silver. This is what I have on my needle, and I'm going back in circle through one of my 4mm. So I'm exiting out of my 4mm and going back in circle through it. Okay, I will push this one to the center of my work, then I'm going to the next seed bead and the next 4mm, and I need one seed bead in silver, in red, and then again in silver. This is what I have. Oops, I need only one in silver and one in red this time, sorry. And I will go back through this silver from my previous row. Now this is what I have, and I'm going back through this 4mm and through the following seed bead. Now this is what I have, and I will repeat this step. I'm going through the next 4mm, taking one silver, one red, This is what I have, and I'm going back to the previous silver. Okay, just like that. Okay, now this is what I have. Back to this one here. Okay. Okay, and I will repeat this several more times. Okay guys, and now I'm exiting here of my last bead, and what I need to do here, you see I have two silvers next to each other, and this time I won't add two beads like I did in my previous steps, but I will add only one, and I'm going through this silver because it's already added. It's from my first bead here, and this silver is from my last bead, and they meet, so I'm adding only one red and going through both silvers. Now this is what I have, and then what I want to do is go one more time through this 4mm bead, then through one of my silvers, and here I want to make an inner circle connecting these red beads in one. Okay, you see this cute little flower. It alone is a nice element for a bracelet base. Okay, now I will take one silver and I will go to the opposite red bead in the same direction where my thread is originally pointing to. Okay, going to the opposite one and pulling. Now this is what I have, and what I want to do is go down and exit through one of my 4mm. And then through one of the reds. And here what I need to do is add two silvers, one red 8/0 and two silvers. Okay, two silvers, one red 8/0 and then again two silvers, and I'm going to the next red one, red seed bead. Okay, then again two silvers, one red 8/0 and two silvers, going through the following one, and I will continue this 4 more times. Okay, now this is what I have, and I will go through two of my silvers and through one of my red 8/0s, and what I want to add here is a silver one, a 4mm bead, and then again a silver one, and I want to go through my next 8/0, then again a silver, 4mm silver, going through my next 8/0, and I will continue this until the end of this row, and I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and now I'm adding my last 3 beads from this row, and what I want to do is go through this silver one here, and I want to add 6 red seed beads. Okay, I have my 6, and I'm going through my next beads. Okay, then I'm going through this silver as well. Pull it tight and fix it, and I need 6 more. Okay, I'm going through this silver and through the following few beads. Okay, and I need 6 more. Okay, and I'm going through the following few beads, and I will continue this until the end of this row, and I'll be back to tell you how to attach your ear wire. Okay guys, and now I finished this row, and this is what I have. Here is how it looks from the back side, and now I will show you how to attach your ear wire. Before you attach it, you might want to go one more time around the edge and make it stay more firm. It will bend a little bit to the center, but this way it will look better. So you could do this if you want. And now I will attach my ear wire. I will go through some beads here. Okay, I'm going through 4 of my reds in this direction. I will take one of my ear wires. I will take 1 seed bead, going through my ear wire, then take 1 more and go back through these middle 2 red beads here. You might attach your ear wire here between 2 beads in the center, but in this one I decided to attach it this way. So now what you could do is reinforce this part several more times. And in my last step I'm going to make some knots. And I'm making a loop, going twice through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling. Then I'm going through some beads here, and I will repeat the same step, making a loop, going once and second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling, then going through the next bead, and repeat this several more times, and when you're ready, cut your thread. Okay guys, and now my earrings are ready. See how they look from the back side? So, if you like what I'm showing you here, it's a good idea to subscribe for more beautiful free videos. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.